Mrs. Stone.
Welcome to Playing with Sounds. I'm Mr. Stone, and here are our sounds for today. First sound, ah, ah. So not ya, I, t, d, ol, g, g, k, k. Another way to say k. All right, first word for today. I want you to make the word hid. Hid. What's the first sound we need in hid? Good. Hid. Hid. What's that next sound? I. Hid. Hid. What's the last sound we need? Hid. Excellent. Hid. I hid behind the tree when I was playing hide and seek. Hid. Now I want you to change hid to kid. Kid. Excellent. Kid. You are a kid or a child. Sometimes people like to kid or joke around. Kid. Now we're going to change kid to kit. Kit. What sound do I need to change? T. Kit. Like a tool kit. Something you hold. Or a doctor's kit. Has the tools. The things they need to work. Kit. Now we're going to change kit to hit. Hit. What sound do I need to change? Good job. Hit. I hit the baseball. Hit. Now change hit to hut. Hut. What sound do I need to change? Hut. Hut. Kentucky Fried Chicken and a Pizza Hut. Hut is like a little house. A hut. So we change hut to gut. Gut. What sound do I need to change? Gut. Your guts are your organs inside your belly. Your gut. You get hit in the gut. I'm going to change gut to got. Got. What sound do I need to change? Ah. Good. Got. I got a new car for Christmas. Got. So we change got to hot. Hot. What sound do I need to change? Hot. It was hot in the summertime. Hot. I want you to change hot to lot. Lot. What sound do I need to change? Oh, good. Lot. I have a lot of toys. Lot. I like you a lot. Lot. Last word, we're going to change lot to lit. Lit. What sound do I need to change? I. Lit. Lit. I lit the fire. Great work today. And remember, be strong, be kind, be smart. See you next time.